guys! Welcome to my vlog. So, for today's video, I just want to thank my beautiful mother. I want to thank my favorite vlogger, Jean's channel. And what I got here is Watsons and Mercury Jug, sponsored by Jean's channel. Okay, so first, mag-unboxing tayo ng mga pinamili natin, sponsored by her. So, first, mystery box. Charas. We have here the exfoliating bath gloves para sa mga dumi-dumi natin sa katawan. So, ayan, it is very important for us to take care of our body. To be hygienic, you know. Next one, we have here the Carefree Panty Liner. And also, nag-sale po yung Watsons. $249 buy one take one na hair mask. Next is, bumili tayo ng lotion. Importante talaga to guys. Body care. Lotion guys. Actually, pang gabi lang to guys. Kasi wala siyang SPF. Pang protect ng sun. Ganun. Next, we have here the Booty Cream Body Scrub. Ito siya guys, ano to siya guys, pampaputi ng mga singit-singitan, kasingit-singitan. And lastly, we have here my favorite deodorant, Tawa Spray. Kasi ano, parang hindi nagbabasa yung kilikili ko dito and pumuputi siya. Pero ano lang, mga 200 plus ata ito. Mahal siya, pero it's very worth it. So, that ends. Yung Watsons haul. Yun lang pinamili ko sa Watsons. Next up, we have here Mercury Jug. Bumili ako sa Mercury. Sponsored again by Jean's channel. Actually guys, story time, Modest. Bumili ako ng Modest. Actually, marami kami ditong napkin. Bumili ako nito kasi humingi ako sa kaklase ko ng napkin and then Modest yung binigay niya. And it's very comfy. Like, comfortable talaga kapag ito yung susuotin mo pag may regla ka. So, it's very recommendable. Next, bumili kami ng corned beef kasi wala kaming ulam mamaya. So, I have to buy this. We also bought Century Tuna. And of course, panghugas ng pinggan. And yes, importante ito sa akin, lalo na medtech student ako. So, dapat naka-clean ban ako. So, importante na may gel ako. Next, dahil palaging gutom yung ate ninyo, bumili ako ng cheese whiz at tinapay. Diba? And also, hindi ako mabubuhay kung walang powder. Next, we have here the Energen sa morning. Kasi minsan hindi na ako kumakain pag pupunta ako ng school kasi 7:30 yung class namin. The next is Dove shampoo. And also, bumili ako ng vitamins. Ay, hindi pa pala. May Dove pa pala. Dalawang Dove. I love this. Ng Radiant, serum bar ng Dove. Hiyang ako dito. And also, cream silk na isa. Wala lang, random lang dito. And bumili ako ng vitamins and mga gamot. Sa Mercury Jug. Solmiox kasi, yung weather ngayon is not giving. Also, Syndrome Advance. Importante gusto guys. Also, BioFlu, Venus, para pag sumakit yung puson ko, and yun lang naman sa mga gamot. And that ends my vlog. Sponsored by Jeannie's channel. Thank you so much for these. Thank you.